Today we are going to do poem 2, Grandparents. So all of us have grandparents, and what is so special about the grandparents? That, and why do we like spending time with them? Because they make us feel special, they give time to us, they spend quality time with us, then they tell us stories, right? They make you laugh, they make you feel special, right? Everybody feels like grandparents are blessings. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now
Yes,
the
ma'am.
poem, okay, I will recite the poem. Few can bring the warmth we can find in their embrace. Love and care is needed to bring a smile on their face. They are a storehouse of stories and they have time to wipe our tears. They make us laugh and smile and grow precious through the years. I believe that God sent us grandparents as our present from above to share the moments of our life as a symbol of God's love. So this poem is written by Anonymous. Who is Anonymous? Who is Anonymous? Anyone?
Ma'am, he is unknown.
Unknown. The
He
poet
is
is
unknown.
unknown. When the name of the
Ma'am, he
poet
is
is
unknown.
I'm
We
sorry.
don't know who is. He is unknown person. Ma'am, we don't know who is the writer. That's why
Very good. When
it's
we don't
written
know the name of the
anonymous. We
poet,
don't
we
know who has
write
written that.
anonymous. Very
No.
good.
Ma'am, we don't know who is the.
Yes, that's it. That's it.
Ma'am, the anonymous
Okay.
means that
Now,
we
like
don't know
first,
the
before
name of poet.
yourself,
Unknown.
mute yourself. Children, put your mics on mute. Okay, these are the new words. Warmth. Because if you know these words, then it will be easier for you to understand the poem. Right? First is warmth. Warmth is what? Warmth. When you hug your friend, your father, mother, you feel a warmth. You get, you feel nice. So that is the feeling of love. So warmth is the feeling of love. You feel good when you hug your friends, your parents, your brother, sister, your siblings, right? What is embrace? Embrace means hug. Storehouse is a place where we keep things, and whenever we need them, we use, take out the things from the storehouse and we use it, right? Storehouse is a place where we keep things and we take things from there whenever we need those things, right? Wipe. Wipe means to clean. Dry with a cloth or one's hand. You're using a cloth, right? You use a cloth to dry something, okay? Or you dry something using your hand. See, suppose this is the tabletop and water is spilled here, so you will take a cloth and wipe the table, right? Precious, of great value. Precious means that is very precious, that is of very great value, right? Kinti. Moments, a short period of time. Moments means बहुत ही छोटा छोटा जो छोटा सा period of time होता है, that is moment, right? In the moment, कहते हैं ना, live in the moment. So जो छोटे छोटे periods, short periods of time होते हैं, उसमें जो हो रहा है, we should live with that, right? We should not, worry about our future, or we should not think about our past, that मेरी उस friend ने ऐसा बोला, my friend has fought with me, and or I got bad marks in English test. No, if you got bad marks, no problem. What should you do? You should study properly next time so that you get good marks next time, right? So you should work hard. Instead of sitting and crying, you should work hard and get good marks next time. Symbol means something that stands for another thing. Symbol of peace, white color. Pigeons, they are symbol of peace. So something that is for something else, something that stands for some another thing. It is not, if we say, I say white color. So white color is the symbol of what? So when we talk about peace, we'll show white color, right? If we are showing red color, that means it is the symbol of, red color is the symbol of anyone? Yes, anyone? Red color.
Danger.
Good, very good. Clap for this boy. Red color is
Danger.
danger.
Ma'am, danger.
Okay. Very good, beta Manish. Now mute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Everyone. Now, these are the stanzas. I told you the paragraphs of the poem are called stanzas. So, let's do the first stanza. Few can bring the warmth we can find in their embrace. Love and care is needed to bring a smile on their face. See, there are very few people who can bring warmth. Warmth is feeling of love. We can find in their embrace. When you hug your friends, you give a hug to your parents, you give a hug to your sister, brother, your cousins. So there are very few. Those who will bring the warmth, bring the feeling of love when you are hugging them. When you give a hug to your uncle, aunt, cousin, sibling, parents, grandparents, so very few people will bring the feeling of love, right? When you are hugging them, when you are giving them a hug, everybody will not, while hugging, everybody, when you will hug, you'll give a hug, everybody will not give you the same feeling, right? Love and care is needed to bring a smile on their face. So if you want your grandparents to smile, if you want to bring a smile on your grandparents' face, what is needed? Love and care. So you should give love and take care of your grandparents. You should offer them water. Then if they are asking you something, you should obey. Right? So love and care is needed to bring a smile on their face. So first stanza is, few can bring the warmth we can find in their embrace. Love and care is needed to bring a smile on their face. So what do you need to bring a smile on your grandparents' face?
Love and care.
Love and care. Very good. Okay.
Love and care.
Okay. So you find warmth in everybody's embrace. Do you find warmth in everybody's embrace? Do you find warmth in everybody's embrace?
No, ma'am.
No. So you find warmth in embrace of few. Now second stanza.
Okay, ma'am.
They are a storehouse of stories, and they have time to wipe our tears. Storehouse of stories, यानी उनके पास बहुत सारी stories हैं. Storehouse is a place where you keep things and you take out and use them when you require them, when you need them, right? So they have so many stories. They are a storehouse of stories. हिंदी में बोलेंगे पिटारा, स्टोरीज का पिटारा है उनके पास. So So they have so many stories in their mind. You know, they have kept so many stories with them. And they have time to wipe our tears. See, our parents are busy. Father has gone to the office. Mother is busy in the kitchen. Many mothers are working also. So grandparents spend time with the children. If you get hurt, if you are not feeling good, if you had a fight with your friend, your grandparents will wipe. They will, they have time to wipe your tears, right? They will wipe your tears. Wipe means pochna. Wipe means pochna, right? They make us laugh and smile. हमें हंसी हमारे फेस पे कौन लाता है? Our grandparents. They make us laugh and smile. See, if we are crying, they will obviously make us laugh and smile. If we are not crying, then also they will crack jokes. They will, to just have fun, right? So they make us laugh and smile and grow precious through the years. They grow precious through the years. We, day by day, when we spend time with our grandparents, they do so much for us that they grow precious through the years. By every passing year, you feel more close to your grandparents. They become more precious to you, right? They become more precious to you. What do you mean by precious? Kimti. Okay? I believe that God sent us grandparents as our present from above. I believe. Here the poet believes that grandparents are the gifts. Grandparents are our present which God has sent. Okay? To share the moments of our life as a symbol of God's love, because whatever happy moments or bad moments we are going through, we can share everything, share good moments and bad moments with our grandparents. In our life, everybody has good moments and bad moments. Who is whistling, beta? Please behave yourself. To share the moments of our life, and God is not present here. God is omnipresent. But can we see God? No, we cannot see God. So that's why God has sent, so that's why God has sent grandparents just to shower love. So our grandparents' love is just like God's love. So as a symbol of God's love, right? As a symbol of God's love. So our grandparents are a symbol of God's love. I hope the poem is clear. Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, children, you have to learn this poem. Everybody, please learn this poem. And tomorrow we will do the back exercises. Their reference to the context is also there. True, false. This is your activity. This is your activity. Complete the following table with suitable information about your grandfather, grandmother. It could be any, your dada dadi or your nana nani. Okay, so you have to write their name, write their age. How does he or she look? Tall, pretty. You can describe, right? Then what does he or she like? So you have to collect the information of anyone, either your grandfather or your grandmother. There are two grandfathers, Dada and Nana. So उनमें से कोई एक भी हो सकता है. Grandmother, दादी and नानी. So दादा, दादी, नाना, नानी में से किसी एक की information आपको collect करनी है, right? So you have to do this in your file sheet. This activity you have to do in a file sheet and send it. You have to write your name also. See, your school is celebrating Grandparents' Day. You have been asked to write a few lines about your grandmother or grandfather. So now, using the information from the table, write a short paragraph describing your grandfather, जिसकी information collect करोगे उन्हीं पे paragraph लिखना है, right? So this has to be first page table, second page paragraph, and write your name at the top. Table के ऊपर ही अपना नाम, write your name, write your class and section. Okay, so this is your activity which will be assessed. This is subject enrichment of your term 1. So I will give marks on this activity. I hope I am clear. So I am giving you time. Today is Wednesday. So I want this activity by Monday. Okay, Monday. What is the date on Monday? 6th. 6th September. I want everybody's activity. Okay. Thank you, children. Thank you, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.